Mommy, where's the other sock?
I have no idea, sweetheart.
Oh well. Oh well. My shoes only.
Yeah, just wear your shoes.
Good morning, Morocco. Today is our first full day here in Morocco. We're in Marrakech right now. We're gonna get picked up by Top Desert, and they're gonna take us to Sahara Desert today. We got a 5-day trip with Top Desert.
What?
Yeah, we're gonna go to Sahara Desert. And right now we're gonna go downstairs, eat some breakfast, and at 8:30 they're gonna pick us up. Let's go eat some breakfast, guys.
This is my cue.
This right here, this is called Butbut, and this is called Barir. And I'm probably messing it up.
Wait, what did you say?
I said right here, we got some syrup, and then this is chocolate, and then this is some thicker syrup, like some jam.
Oh, look how big this strawberry is. No, that's not for me.
And that is a traditional way to eat that. Kids are ready, packed up, and ready to go to the desert.
Yes.
So right now we're gonna go off to the Top Desert Tour. We're leaving our Riad. We're here with Anas.
Anas is a good tour.
Very good hotel. Welcome. Very good Riad. Riad, they're called Riads here. So this is our porter right here. We have to hire a porter to take our luggage to our car because the streets are too narrow here. Like I said the other day, it costs about $4 or $5. I think it's around 30 to 40 Morocco dirham. What's up, guys? We're here with Top Desert. We're with Faisal right here, and we are gonna start our Sahara Desert Tour today, 5 days. You guys excited?
Excited!
Let's go. Taking a little pit stop. Gotta have the coffee.
Coffee is life.
Thank you.
Coffee is life, exactly. If you drink coffee, your day is good.
Thank you, sir.
And all these villages is Berber people.
So this right here, this is a Berber village. The people that live in the mountains, they're considered the Berber people. They speak their own language. This is called Tizi Tishka.
Right now we are at the Atlas mountain, and this is our first stop. We are having a tour at the Casbah. Casbah means fortress.
Small windows around to Casbah to control. Then to Casbah was wide like this. The caravans can sit from the mountain. All the tanks in the bus, they have value and we can this Casbah. Upstairs. Color and different form, but otherwise we find the circle into the square and a lot of reproduction.
Very nice.
This one. This is good.
And also in Atlas Mountains, you see houses and villages always close to a river.
Come on, let's go. Yeah, food right there. Check it out. We're here at this restaurant, and it has a lovely view of the spot where a Game of Thrones scene was filmed.
Oh look, there's a fish pond. There's the fish pond down here. Daddy,
Yes,
this is like shaped as a pizza.
it's cool. That's Moroccan bread, and we also got a Moroccan salad. We ordered the Moroccan barbecue for 3. We got chicken, we got beef, we got vegetables, and we got French fries.
Mommy!
We just had an awesome lunch over here at this restaurant. They had an awesome view. We had some mixed grill. We had some salad and some Cokes. It was awesome. All right, let's go.
I like to see the camels.
You see them here.
They're there, having lunch.
We are in Ouarzazate city. There's about 6,000 people in this town, and this is the town where they have the movie studios. So we're gonna go check out where some movies were filmed.
All this is studios for cinema. This is the big one.
We're at Atlas Studios. Let's go check it out.
How are you?
She's good.
We get ticket, 80 dirhams each. So we just pay for Jeremy and me, and the 3 kids are free.
All these props were used in the movie Gladiator. And all these right here, these vehicles were used in the movie Black Hawk Down.
Oh, journey to Mecca.
2 sets because we are in a superficie of here inside of the studios. They shoot it just 5 minutes. They built the main set that's called the gas having this prison. It was in Big Her and Hercules Reborn because everything is made by the wood.
So Prison Break Panama was actually filmed right here in Morocco, and the jail scene, they actually used a high school out in town.
It's like real monuments in cinema. So they built.
This is where all the Egypt cinematic movie happening all the time. This is my crew.
Welcome to the sets that they built in 6 months. And this is just 10 minutes during the shooting of the movie Kundun of Martin Scorsese. Inside, it's the same.
We just got done with our studio tour with Mohammed. Very excellent guide. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. I hope you will enjoy your trip here in Morocco. And see you next time when you come back.
This right here, this is our Riad for tonight.
No.
Welcome to
Agdz.
Agdz. Thank you.
You are welcome.
This is our stop for the night. Where we staying? It's we are at the town of Agdz, and we already got our Moroccan meat tea. And look at this, peanuts.
Watch it. What?
Hey.
Ow!
Come look at the baby chicks.
Baby chicks. Here's the baby chicks. Those are babies.
Did you see them? The
They're
little
baby
birds.
chicks. Look, the mommy and the. I'm good.
Come here. No going down. Enjoy. Thank you, sir.
Stop. We'll ask for the peanuts later.
About to drink this Casablanca beer for the first time. What is this? Premium beer, original lager from Morocco.
Here, the lighting is here.
It's pretty good. Pretty good. Casablanca beer, premium beer. Go and get one. We're gonna go downstairs and eat some dinner right now.
Watch your step, huh?
It's dinner time.
It's dinner time. Hey, slowly.
Mommy. I want to sit next to you.
Cheese!
Jasmine, no.
See, look at the kitchen, right by the table right here. You can see the kitchen in there.
It's a big, huge, humongous, big bowl. The world has never seen.
This is a lentil soup. So good. It's so tasty. So authentic. Very yummy.
Can you take this?
Tasty stuff.
Thank you.
Why?
Two chicken skewers barbecue,
What's this?
eggplant, and French fries.
This one shape is like a moon. Again.
All right, guys, first full day done. That food was awesome. We're gonna go sleep. See you tomorrow.
You know what? I'm gonna die until I hold my breath for 100 minutes.
Wait, you're gonna hold your breath for 100 minutes? What, are you holding your breath too? Why?
Because we're going to be homeless.
What? You're gonna be homeless?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm gonna kick you out of my house. It's kids, you can't take them anywhere.
If you look at it at Google Maps, it's the one that's like kumbaga kung sa Tagalog parang papuntang Baguio.
Guys, look at the camera.
Hey, watch out beside you. It's the Grudge. The Grudge. Hey,
More.
Jasmine.
Finish that first.
Jasmine, you're scaring me.
Finish that first.
Wait.